Hi, I'm voice coach Jessica Neighbor, and welcome to your public speaker warm-up checklist. We are going to go through all 4 steps together that are on your infographic right now. I'll be referring to mine here that I have downloaded on my computer, and I recommend to all of my public speakers that you have this somewhere visible before you present every time. Be it on stage, be it online, to 2 people or 2,000, this works every time. Before we start, I do want to say, please adjust any of these stretches or movements that don't feel right for your body. Please do what feels good for you on this day. Starting off in step 1 with our body stretches. We're going to move from our head to our toe. First, starting off with 3 neck rolls. Start one direction. 1, 2, 3. Once you've come to 3, switch the opposite. 1, 2, and 3. Shoulder rolls back for 3. 1, 2, 3. Shoulder rolls forward for 3. 1, 2, and 3. Take a moment to expand your chest, lift your sternum, and imagine that your shoulder blades in your back are just giving each other a little kiss to open up your chest so that you can breathe and speak more easily. I'll step back for the final stretch that I love to do before all of my presentations, which is my forward fold. You can do this standing up or sitting down. Please do make adjustments for whatever feels right for your body. Take your hands up. Have a big inhalation, and then you're gonna forward fold down on an exhalation.
You're gonna take 3 deep breaths while you're hanging down. 1, really let your head hang. 2, feel that nice spine stretch. Give yourself 1 big final breath. Let out a little sigh if you need to. Let out any of those jitters you may be feeling before your presentation. And then slowly, carefully roll back up, vertebrae by vertebrae, until you come back up to your standing position. Check that your head is on your spine, not lifted up too high, not tucked down, but just in the right position for yourself. And you are physically warmed up. Moving on to step 2, let's fire up our breath. Starting off with our leaky tire exercise. You are one big filled up tire. This little prick of a pin is gonna come, poke your tire, cause a small leak, and you are gonna let out a shh for as long as you can. I'm gonna do it as long as I can. If you can go a little further, be my guest. Counting for 4, inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale, shh. Continue to go if you have more. Leak in there to let out your air. And then at the end, inhale again. Moving on to our jingle bell breath exercise. We are going to say shh to the rhythm of jingle bells. We'll do it 1 time as a series slow and 1 time as a series fast. Let's do 8 slow jingle bells like this. Shh, shh, shh. 1, shh, shh, shh. 2, shh, shh, shh. 3, shh, shh, shh. 4, shh, shh, shh. 5, shh, shh, shh. 6, shh, shh, shh. 7, shh, shh, shh. 8. Great. Take a moment. Now we're gonna do 8 up-tempo jingle bell breath exercises. 1, 2, let's go. Shh, shh, shh. 1, shh, shh, shh. 2, shh, shh, shh. 3, shh, shh, shh. 4, shh, shh, shh. 5, shh, shh, shh. 6, shh, shh, shh. 7, shh, shh, shh. 8. I think I got that right. And finally, a breath count exercise to slow yourself down, center yourself. I'm gonna do an inhalation for 4, exhale for 4, another inhalation for 5, and exhale for 5 on a nice slow count. So begin with me on a nice easy inhalation. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for 5. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back to your regular breathing and notice how much more connected you are to your breath. Moving on next to our mouth and our face for our articulators and to help us enunciate. I'm going to come a little bit closer just so you can watch what I'm doing. First, we're going to start off with our lion lemon face. Make a big wide face for your lion and squeeze it all in for your lemon. Again, out for lion, in for lemon. Final lion, stick your tongue out this time. And lemon, squeeze it in. Come back to nice and relaxed. We're going to move on now to tongue trills. If tongue trills are difficult for you to do, you can say ta, T-A instead. And lip trills, you can also say pa, P-A, if these are challenging. This is my all-time favorite, which is our gentle jaw stretch. Take your fingers, slide them up in front of your ear, open and close your jaw very gently, and you will notice your jaw joint. Massage it out and bring your fingers back down and massage any part of your jaw that you feel necessary. Great. Onward to step 4, we are doing our tongue twisters. Whatever happens doing your tongue twister, you twist on, my friend. Don't stop in the middle of it and start again. Let's start first with the first one. I wish to wash my Irish wristwatch. Say it with me 3 times in a row. I wish to wash my Irish wristwatch. I wish to wash my Irish wristwatch. I wish to wash my Irish wristwatch. Woo! That's a tricky one. Let's go on to the second one. She sells seashells by the seashore. Make sure to enunciate all of those S's. Let's say it 3 times in a row. She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. And for your final tongue twister, the hardest one in my opinion, 2 tiny toads trying to talk to Tarrytown. Oh, I completely blew that. Let's try it again. 2 tiny timid toads trying to trot to Tarrytown. There we go. Let's try that 3 times. Wish me luck. 2 tiny timid toads trying to trot to Tarrytown. 2 tiny timid toads trying to trot to Tarrytown. 2 tiny timid toads trying to trot to Tarrytown. Whew. All right. Shake it out. Now your face and your mouth and your body and your breath are all buzzing. 3 final checks I want you to do. Think about your good posture. Get back into good alignment when you either click on or step on that stage. Choose your focal points that you're either going to look at in the room or on your screen. And last but not least, set that good intention so that you can achieve your speech goal. You are all set. Go out there and break a leg.